Imagine this. It's dinner time. You're hungry after a long day. Your favorite dish is on the table. Fried chicken, crispy pork belly, spring rolls, maybe even stir-fried noodles dripping with flavor. You reach for it, and it smells amazing. The crunch hits your ears before it even hits your mouth. Each bite tastes rich, satisfying, comforting. But here's the twist. That very richness we love comes from something our body was never meant to take too much of. Cooking oil. We don't see it as a threat because we don't pour it on our plates, we don't spoon-feed it, we don't realize how much we actually eat. Until one day, the body whispers, and later, it screams. And today, we're going to uncover the truth about what happens when we consume too much cooking oil, why it's dangerous, and what you can do before it becomes too late. Because unlike sugar or salt, oil hides in silence. Let's begin. Hello and welcome back. Today's topic might sound very ordinary at first, but trust me, it's not. Oils are everywhere. We fry with them, sauté with them, bake with them, roast with them, even drizzle them. They carry flavors, they diffuse spices, they give food texture. Without oil, many dishes would taste flat. And to be fair, oil itself is not evil. Our body actually needs fat to survive. The brain is made of fat. Hormones need fat to function. Cells have fat in their walls. Energy gets stored as fat. We even absorb vitamins through fat. The problem is not oil. The problem is too much oil. And worse, the wrong type of oil, heated the wrong way, eaten too often. People worry about alcohol, cigarettes, and stress, and rightfully so. But what about something we eat 3 times a day? That little splash you pour into the pan every morning? That sizzling river your food swims in every lunch? That glossy coat your ulam wears every dinner? Those tiny, repeated moments may slowly build into something dangerous. So today we ask, how dangerous is consuming too much cooking oil? To answer that, we need to understand 3 big things. 1. What oil really is. 2. What happens when we eat too much? 3. What happens when oil is heated repeatedly? What is cooking oil? Cooking oil is basically a liquid fat taken from plants, seeds, nuts, or animals. But not all oils are created the same. There are good oils, ones that are gentle on your heart and body. Bad oils, ones that can hurt you when eaten too much. Stable oils, safer when heated. Unstable oils break and become toxic when heated too high or too many times. Think of cooking oil like different people. Some are calm even under pressure. Some panic when things get hot. Main sources of cooking oil. 1. Seeds and grains. Soybean, canola, corn, sunflower. 2. Fruits. Palm oil, olive oil, coconut oil. 3. Nuts. Peanut oil, walnut oil, almond oil. 4. Animal fats. Lard, butter oil, fish oil. Each has its own fat profile. Saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, trans fats. Let's break them down in very simple words. Saturated fat, solid when cold, comes from coconut oil, palm oil, butter, lard. Not the best for the heart when too much is eaten, but very stable when heated. Monounsaturated fat, liquid even when cold, comes from olive oil, peanut oil, avocados, good for the heart. Also stable with moderate heat. Polyunsaturated fat, super thin liquid fat, comes from corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, canola oil. Very healthy if not heated too high, but very fragile when heated. Breaks easily. Trans fat, the villain fat, bad for the heart. Raises bad cholesterol, LDL, lowers good cholesterol, HDL. Found in repeatedly heated oil, cheap hydrogenated oils, processed fast food, packaged snacks. Your body treats trans fats like garbage it can't throw away properly. The 2 big problems with cooking oil. 1. It is very dense in calories. 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories. That is more than double carbs and protein. So a food that absorbs oil becomes a calorie bomb. 2. Heat changes oil's behavior. The oil you buy fresh from a bottle might be fine, but the oil heated over and over? That can be toxic. Okay, now that we understand oil, let's move to the bigger question. What happens if you eat too much cooking oil? Let's picture your body like a house. Healthy fat is like electricity. You need it. Too much unhealthy heated oil is like faulty wiring. hidden but dangerous. Here are the major dangers. 1. Heart disease. Too much oil, especially heated unstable oils, can clog arteries, raise bad cholesterol, cause inflammation, make blood thicker and sticky. Blocked arteries equals higher risk of heart attack or stroke. The heart gets tired working harder to pump greasy blood. 2. Obesity. Oil adds so many silent calories that even small extras stack fast. Examples: extra 2 tablespoons daily equals over 1,000 plus excess calories a week. Frequent fried food equals fat stored faster than burned, and once fat cells grow, they don't disappear easily. 3. Fatty liver disease. Liver is the body's filter and factory. Too much oil overwhelms it. The liver starts storing fat inside itself, not under the skin, inside the organ, and fat-filled liver cells can't work properly. At first, no symptoms. Later, weakness, stomach discomfort, hormone imbalance. 4. Digestive problems. Too much oil can cause acid reflux, slow digestion, stomach heaviness, loose stools, bloating. Greasy foods make the stomach lazy. 5. Type 2 diabetes. Fat overload can make cells resist insulin, especially when combined with sugary fried coatings. Oily meals eaten too late. Sedentary lifestyle. Not only sugar causes diabetes, fat plays a massive role too. 6. Chronic inflammation. Heated, degraded oils send stress signals inside the body. Your immune system thinks you're under attack. Inflammation becomes constant, silent, chronic, widespread. This increases risk of cancer, arthritis, hormonal problems, skin aging, clogged blood vessels. 7. Cancer risk. Not from all oils, but from oxidized, reused, high-heat broken oils. The molecules mutate and create free radicals. Free radicals equal cellular rust and DNA damage. 8. Skin and aging issues. Too much fried and oily meals can cause acne flare-ups, make skin dull, speed up aging, weaken collagen, cause hormonal imbalance. Your skin reflects what your liver struggles with. 9. Hormone disruption. Fats influence hormones. Bad heated fats confuse hormone signaling. This affects weight control, mood, stress levels, hunger cues, reproductive health. 10. Brain fog and memory problems. The brain needs healthy fats, but too much fried oils equals poor quality fats reaching the brain. This can impact memory, concentration, mood stability. People don't say, "I feel oily." They say, "I feel tired. I can't focus. I have no energy. I feel heavy all the time." When oil gets heated, the real danger. Not only how much you eat, but what happens to oil when heated. When oil is heated, 3 things can happen. 1. Oxidation. Oil reacts with oxygen, becomes harmful. 2. Polymerization. Oil gets thick and sticky. 3. Hydrogenation and transformation. Good fats turn into trans fats. This happens when oil is heated above its smoke point. Oil is reused many times. Oil is kept hot for long. Oil is exposed to air. Oil is heated daily. Smoke point. Super simple explanation. If oil starts smoking in the pan, it means it is breaking down. That smoke is not flavor escaping, it is a chemical scream. Why reused oil is bad. Street food stalls, and even at home. Oil gets reused to save money, avoid waste, keep frying convenient. But each heating cycle makes oil darker, thicker, smell stronger, stickier, more toxic. Even if you filter it, you can't filter chemistry. Dangerous compounds formed in heated oil, aldehydes, lipid peroxides, free radicals, trans fats. These impact organs silently. Everyday habits that increase oil overconsumption. 1. Frying food daily. 2. Using too much oil to sauté. 3. Eating deep-fried snacks often. 4. Consuming fast food regularly. 5. Adding oil to make it tastier. 6. Reusing oil more than 2 to 3 times. 7. Cooking with extremely high heat. 8. Eating late-night oily meals. 9. Not draining oil after frying. 10. Preferring crispy fried texture always. It's not one moment, it's repetition. People most at risk. 1. People over 35 to 40. 2. People who love fried food. 3. those who eat out often. 4. Those who reuse oil frequently. 5. Office workers. 6. Night shift workers. 7. People under stress. 8. Those with family history of heart disease. 9. Those gaining weight easily. Warning signs you're eating. Too much oil. Your body doesn't say, "Stop eating oil." It says, "I'm always tired. My chest feels tight sometimes. I'm gaining weight even without eating more. I wake up feeling heavy. My stomach burns at night. My skin keeps breaking out. I feel bloated all the time. I get sleepy after meals. My memory isn't the same. I don't feel light anymore." Those are the warnings, not oil itself. Myths about cooking oil. Myth 1. Oil is healthy so I can eat a lot. Truth. Even healthy oils damage if overheated. Myth 2. I don't pour oil on my plate so I'm safe. Truth. Fried food already carries massive oil. Myth 3. I filtered reused oil so it's fine. Truth. Toxins remain even when clean looking. Myth 4. Fried food is protein. Truth. Fried protein is still high-fat food. How much oil is too much? General safe visual rule. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day for cooking max. Fried meals, 1 to 2 times a week only. Reusing oil, 1 to 2 times max if necessary. Avoid smoking oil completely. Drain fried food before eating. Balance is survival. The safest ways to use cooking oil. 1. Use low to medium heat. 2. Prefer stable oils for frying, coconut, palm. 3. Prefer heart-healthy oils for salads and drizzle, olive. 4. Never reuse oil more than twice. 5. Store oil away from light and air. 6. Drain fried food on paper towel. 7. Don't fry frozen food directly. 8. Avoid burnt crumbs in oil. 9. Don't deep fry too long. 10. Use air frying or baking when possible. Alternatives to frying. 1. Air fryer. 2. Boiling. 3. Steaming. 4. Baking. 5. Grilling. 6. Roasting. 7. Stir frying with 1 teaspoon oil plus broth. 8. Slow cooking. 9. Pressure cooking. 10. Pan searing with minimal oil. Flavor is possible without drowning food. How to remove hidden oil from food. Blot with paper towel. Drain properly. Cool soup to remove fat layer. Skim off excess oil from stew. Avoid double frying. Avoid breaded deep fry often. Choose broth first sauté method. The damage timeline of too much cooking oil. Month 1 to 6, no symptoms. 1 to 2 years, slow weight gain, occasional reflux. 3 to 5 years, cholesterol rises, energy drops. 5 to 10 years, arteries stiffen, liver fatty. 10 to 20 years, disease risk increases sharply. The danger is not loud, it is patient. Resetting your body from oil overload. Switch to whole foods. Add fiber. Drink enough water. Exercise 3 to 5 times a week. Reduce fried meals slowly but surely. Replace frying with other cooking. Use healthy oils only when raw or low heat. Eat earlier dinners. Get regular blood tests. Your body can heal when you stop attacking it. So how dangerous is consuming too much cooking oil? Very dangerous when eaten in excess, heated daily at high temperature, reused repeatedly, combined with sedentary life and stress. But here's the good news. Oil is not a death sentence. It is a daily choice, and daily choices can be changed. You don't need to remove oil completely. You need to control it, respect it, measure it, limit it, replace it when possible, because the body is forgiving, but not infinite. So after this video, check your habits. How often do you fry? How often do you reuse oil? How heavy are your meals? Your health is not built in a gym, it's built in a pan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.